Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Kirti Kanodia. Welcome to Toshin Institute. Today, our topic is money, finances. I'm receiving a lot of cases where people are struggling from financial issues. The one thing that is very clear that we are seeing in therapies is issue is a disconnect of energy. So, let me explain you how. What is money? Money is a feminine energy. And when you talk about money, it talks about energy. It's not more than an energy. So if you're working very hard, if you're going through a lot of struggles towards money, you are giving your 2000% onto the work, you're struggling so much towards it. No matter how much hard work you're doing, but you're not receiving the money, the kind of money that you're requiring right now, everything is going from hand to mouth or little bit more than that. And if suppose you're earning very well, but um, you're not able to get anything in your bank, or maybe you are not able to do any savings, you're not able to save any particular portion of money in your life. So if you're going through all these things, that means this video is perfect for you. So when you talk about money, money is in feminine energy. So suppose if you're a female, so female might be, okay, I'm the already female. Then why I'm facing money issues? Even though I'm working so much, I'm facing money issues. So it has nothing to do with the male and female energy biologically. We are talking about feminine energy within you. So if you're a female and you're too much into your masculine side more than the feminine side, that means you have completely disconnected with your feminine side. So no matter how much you work hard, no matter how much you are giving to your business, your career, your job, or whatever you are into, you will see that you're not able to make kind of money you're not able to make that you're supposed to make according to the hard work you're doing. And if you're a male, and if you're doing the same, like doing a lot of hard work and doing so much, giving so much time and energy for your business, but still you see that the outcome is very slow or it is not according to how you wish it to be. So again, there is a disconnect. In both the cases, there is a disconnect with the feminine side of you. The feminine side of you could is all about within you, the feeling, the emotions, the sensitivity towards holding money. Because money being a feminine energy, it has to feel safe when it has to come to you. It has to trust you. And you have to have that energy of holding money within you so that you can attract a larger amount or the amount that makes you feel happy and comfortable. Yeah, we are not talking about any particular figure towards the money. It could be anything according to your will and wish. It could be whatever you are wanting that makes you happy and good about money. And we are not talking about any unrealistic goals towards money. We are talking about realistic goals towards money. And from there, you can grow it more and more as you want it to be. So here you need to understand one thing is you have to connect with your internal feminine energy to attract more and more money. You have to understand your emotions. You have to understand your thought process, how it has been connected with your emotions. Usually, what we are doing nowadays, we get connected to our thought process. We have a thought, and quickly we fall into actions. We quickly fall into planning towards it, take actions towards it, and then we get so busy moving towards the path that we have created as in plan of action towards money. But what about your emotions? Emotions are always feminine side. How do you feel about it? Have you ever sat for a moment and thought, how do you feel? How do you feel about yourself? How do you feel about life? How do you feel about money when it comes to money? You're not feeling that. So the women who are too much into actions and plannings and, juggling to make it, juggling to, survive through whatever they are going towards money, they are losing their essence of femininity within herself. So they are being too masculine, not understanding that even they have to take care of their feminine side. So the women who are working women, and they are not able to create the amount of money according to what you have decided or what the goals you have created for yourself. You need to understand that where you have disconnected or you have been rejected as a feminine energy. So when you go through rejections, rejections of your sexuality, that is your feminine side. then you will see that, somewhere you have left it behind in your childhood itself, and you're growing with lot of your masculine energy. So your feminine energy is completely left here, and your masculine energy is growing here. So there is a huge gap between these two. And when there's a huge gap between these two, there is a disconnect. Slowly there will be disconnect. There will be a point at when you are super achieving, you will see that you are receiving whatever you wanted and you have created the best of the life. But slowly, as you're moving ahead, you will see that essence of achieving has reduced. Why? Because this gap has increased a lot. And more you're achieving, more you're going towards receiving what you wanted, you're losing more of your feminine side, the left side of you, the feminine side. So this brings a lot of disconnect of the feminine energy that will further, fails to bring that essence of growth, the essence of money to pull in your life day by day. And if you're a male, the same thing happens with you as well. You're too much into planning and you are meant to do that. It's not that, what you're doing is wrong. There is nothing called as right and wrong. But somewhere, if you're not satisfied with the money part, you need to understand where you have lost the sensitivity of emotions inside you. Are you just behaving like a robot? Or you still behave like a woman where you're sensitive enough to understand what is going within you? How you feel about yourself? How do you feel about your life? So just try to understand. And being a male, you can also do one thing is you can just see how the females around you feel about you. Or rather, I could say, how do you make them feel? So, more you understand the mindset of the females around you, you will understand where you have lost the connection of femininity within you. Because everything outside is a mirror of within you. So, this time, when you want to grow yourself, understand one thing that your feminine part is very important to grow the money, to receive the money in your life. So, this time, instead of running behind the money, take some moment. Sit with yourself, irrespective of your being a male or female. Sit with yourself, meditate, and try to understand how your feelings are, how the feminine energy within you is feeling about you. Is it feeling safe? Is it feeling seen? Does it feel happy? And does it feel that you are there always, no matter what? So, whatever the answer is, according to the answer, see what you can change within you. When you're doing this inside you, you will see the changes coming outside you. So you will see a lot of flow of money coming in your life with ease and joy. So whatever hard work you're doing now will be rewarded. And who is rewarding? There's no one outside you. Outside people are just a medium. It's internal you that is working hard plus rewarding your own self. So if you're struggling with money, you can uh, write, you can comment, and you can let me know what are the issues you're going with so that I can give you further details on that. Until then, just sit quiet for some time and meditate. So today in this video, I'm going to take you towards little meditation of how to connect with your feminine side, and we'll see how you take it forward. Okay? So everyone, close your eyes and relax. So close your eyes and feel your breaths within you. Keep breathing. Relax your mind, relax your thoughts, and relax anything that is bothering you right now. Keep it aside. And at this moment, just choose to go within you. Just relax. Keep breathing. And while breathing, put your focus on your scalp, middle of your scalp. Just focus on your middle of the scalp and keep breathing. and slowly go down and bring the focus in your heart, that is your heart chakra, and keep breathing there. And now, while you're breathing, feel your heart chakra filled with lot of love, lot of connect. First, allow this love to be felt by your masculine energy, that is right side of your body. Feel the love and feel the connect. From your heart chakra, feel the green color bright light spreading in your right side of the body, that is your masculine side. Just feel it as much as possible. And now, allow this bright green light to spread in your feminine side, that is left side of your body. Feel this bright green light spreading both right side and left side of you, that is masculine and feminine side of you. And with each and every breath you're taking now, allow it to spread as much as possible. Keep breathing. With each and every breath, spread it as much as possible. Now, slowly feel the bright blue light in your masculine energy, that is right side of the body. And feel the pink color light in your feminine side, that is left side of your body. Feel it as much as possible. Allow your energies to feel this as much as possible. The right side of the body is completely bright blue, and the left side of the body is light pink. The energy of love, the energy of acceptance is bright pink color, that is your feminine side, and the energy of expression, energy of action is light blue color, that is right side of your body. Feel it as much as possible. And now you need to bring the integrity between these both. Slowly feel the blue side and the right side coming closer to each other, and in between your body, the middle of the body, feel it getting merged. Feel it getting merged as if it is hugging each other. Feel it. It's getting merged in the middle of your body as if it is hugging each other. Feel that hug of the masculine side and the feminine side. The color, the blue and pink, getting merged with each other. And feel this as much as possible. Keep breathing and allow the pink light to feel absolutely safe, happy, and growing. When it gets merged with your pink, with your blue side, and allow it to feel happy and safe. Same as someone feels very comfortable when you're being hugged. Feel that safe feeling here. Keep breathing. And when the pink side is merged with the blue side and feeling absolutely safe, happy, and being loved and accepted, you will see a golden light being produced upside. See it going upward from the middle of your body, going up in your scalp, and it's expanding as much as possible. This is the energy of money that is being generated. Feel it growing. Feel it going up from your throat into the scalp, and it's spreading in a form of prosperity, abundance, and coming in your life as much as possible. Feel it. Feel this golden light. Keep breathing and allow this process to expand more and more. You can keep doing this exercise whenever, wherever you are. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes. Keep repeating this exercise as much as possible. And when you feel right, integrate your energies and bring back your awareness into the room and open your eyes. Keep doing this exercise, repeat it as much as possible, and all the best for the flow of your money. Till then, be happy, be safe. See you again. Namaste.